up to being part of our world into your kitchen. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. Drum roll. We're making shrimp ceviche. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your work ears, clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision, because you can burn yourself, and that's that. But the most important rule of the kitchen is shrimping! That's not shrimp. That's clam. Baby clam days! Woo! Well, that's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is Simpson first, bam! So now, let's get cooking. So here are the ingredients. So you're gonna peel your shrimp, and then you're gonna cut a line right down the middle, and you're gonna get out that black stuff, the black line, because you can't have it in there. It's just that. And then you're gonna cut it into little pieces like this, little cubies. We're gonna need lemons, 7 lemons, garlic, and fish seasoning.
And we're gonna need 4 cucumbers, 2 jalapeno peppers, 1 onion, 5 tomatoes, and cilantro, and Clamato.
It's Clamato.
You can use BA juice too. You just need a tomato juice.
Tomato.
And the limes, what you need is to cover the shrimp so the shrimp can cook.
So now we're gonna put our garlic and our seasoning.
And I'm gonna cut the colita for my lemons, and then I'm gonna cut it straight through.
And now I'm gonna squeeze the limes into our shrimp. You have to make sure it's completely covered.
I think the lime is gonna squeeze you in. Okay, I have to help Aileen.
So now, as you can see, it's already cooking. So you have 2 choices. You can set it aside, start chopping your stuff, and just add it in and
Eat it.
Or you can leave it overnight like we are, because I had allergies and my mom and my dad just...
We just like to leave it overnight to make sure it cooks some more. And we're just afraid to let her eat it like that. And, you know, we just struggle so much with her that we just want to leave things the same way. So it's your choice. But you can just leave it like that. As you can see, I already changed colors. You look like whitish. Chop all your things and put it together, or wait like we're going to do. So we see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, so our shrimp is ready. And we forgot to mention, you have to cover it up. Look at it. It's amazing.
And if you just want to leave it, you know, sitting in the lime juice while you chop everything, that's perfect too. And you can just have your ceviche ready like in an hour.
Can't wait to eat it.
And you guys chopped everything?
Yep, our cucumber, our pepper. Okay, so you're gonna take out all of the seeds from your cucumber. We already did. And then, now you're gonna be able to cut it.
Chop it.
Yeah, chop it.
And that's the same for the tomatoes too.
You're still gonna take out the seeds.
And then
Oh, I
you're gonna
see.
chop it.
Okay, so you guys remove everything from the inside, and then you chopped it. Okay.
And for our avocados, which we forgot to mention.
The avocado, yes, they forgot the avocados.
So we're going to...
Also, you don't want your avocados to be white. You want them to be...
A little bit hard, because otherwise they will kind of like...
fall apart.
Yeah.
Smush. Yeah, we're going to smush them when we mix them.
And then we're going to scoop it out.
So we're ready. You forgot to remove that little... Okay.
And now for the fun part.
Clamato, and we're gonna use our clam one because we're gonna finish it, and if we need more, we're gonna use our new one. Yep.
So let's get to it. So now we're gonna pour our tomato.
Now we're gonna put our cilantro,
Our onion,
our cucumber,
our pepper.
we're
We're gonna mix it and then add our shrimp.
Do you need help, Ian?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can pour the juice. And I will help you mix, Ian. Pour the juice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That looks amazing.
Yep.
You have
we
to
need the other
scoop
one?
from the inside out. There you go. Yes, so as soon as we finish mixing, then we're gonna pour our avocado because we don't wanna, get it too smushed. And let me help you mix it.
So now we're gonna pour our avocado. And carefully mix it because you don't want to make guacamole.
You don't wanna overmix. Just as soon as you see that it's ready.
So now we're gonna taste for salt. So I have a tostada here with some mayonnaise, and I'm gonna put some ceviche.
Some ceviche, not all the ceviche.
Enjoy.
Ian, is it delicious, Ian? Okay.
I'm gonna take this to my room. So I hope you guys love this amazing ceviche recipe. If you want, you can add more clamato or more salt. It depends on how you want it. You can also eat it right when you put it in. While you're chopping your stuff, you put it in and you can eat it like that. Still works, still good.
Wait. What happened to your hair? I just realized that.
Oh. Well,
I could help.
yes, Ian's hair salon is the best hair salon here.
Ah. Is there a video so I can watch?
Yes.
Okay.
So now, we hope you guys love it. And we love all of you from all around the world for supporting us and watching our videos.
Thank
We
you.
just love it. Yes, thank you. Right, Ian?
Thank you for everyone for supporting us and bringing part of our world into your kitchen. So now,
Bye. Make sure you subscribe, do a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding. I hope you put a smile on your face.
Bye.